Good morning, peeps. Happy Thursday, my favourite day of the week. Big day happening today. You'll notice that this is the car park of Eddie and everything is out of the warehouse. Why is everything out of the warehouse, you might ask? Well, we're running out of space again, but the next sort of way to fix this is, you know, the big 40-foot container that I'm quite attached to be honest, because I've built the inside of it. We went to a big effort to get it to go inside of our warehouse, and today we're taking it out again, which is going to be an added effort because I've got all this racking. Okay, there's a bit of backing, so there's all the racking there. There's the container. This is, where is it? 40-foot container. We have to, this space is 270 square meters. We have to get it through that hole today somehow. So any minute actually, there's a 40-ton franner and another 12-ton franner and a whole heap of guys that are very clever at what they do. This is Brooks Lift and Shift, and also the guys from Lockwood Cranes. They can do anything basically. We're going to put them to the test and get this 40-foot container out that door. But why is that? Last week you would have seen that we did our Super 62 week and we had a bit of a test. We took all Steve's guys from Steve Allen's Mechanical down to Eddie, and we had 5 guys on tools, Sharon and Marion in the office, and me doing what I do. And it worked really well. We punched about 10 cars or 10 builds out, and it looks like this is going to work. So I guess, is this an announcement? I'm not sure. Yeah, we're going to start doing mechanical and fitting at Eddie at 4x4 DNA, which means we've got to really sort a whole heap of stuff out. Like, the project now is huge. Steve has already started full-time here because he was only doing about 50% here, half at his other shop before. So he's full-time. In 2 weeks his team will come down as well, and means we need more hoists, we need more space. So next door we're going to put another 1, maybe 2 hoists. These hoists are all going to be going chock-a-block as much as we can. Upstairs on the mezzanine we're getting all racking sorted out for that. Next door tomorrow there's more racking coming. Basically it's full steam ahead. So but the interesting part, it all starts today. I got a text at 2 AM saying the cranes will be here at 8 AM. I'm like, I'm not ready. So I've just spent all morning moving all the stock out. We're going to watch the cranes roll in and see how this feat is going to happen. Let's keep watching. So I've rocked up. The dude's got out to have a look at what he's doing. He's like, oh man, this is going to be a bit of a mission impossible. Does he choose to accept it? So a bit of a standoff now. Can we put this thing on skates and roll it out, or is it staying in there forever? We'll see what happens. Right, so what we're doing here is putting it on skates. What's a skate, you wonder? Well, it's this little thing down here. It's like a little roller bearing thing. So there's one on that one too. If you put it all on skates, we might be able to walk it out of here. Yeah. He's skating. Oh, there's my power cord.
You want to turn them skates and just get it out the door a bit? Yeah, do it now with the rhino. Yeah.
Okay, all the stock's moved back in from outside. Thanks Cliffy, who came and lent me a hand yesterday. But this is just like simulating what it would look like with 2 cars in here. Right. Could we fit 2 hoists in and still have room to like get stuff in and out and, you know, not be on top of each other? That is the big question. So we've got racking that's just got delivered. That's all about to get put up this morning, and I think then we can like evaluate whether this is going to be a 1 hoist or a 2 hoist sort of gig, to try and expand our, you know, productivity in this place. Right, racking time. All right, racking is in. And we have heaps of space now. Let's see how long it takes to grow out of this spot. Hey Steve, you got enough space for your hoist now?
No, not quite. Need a little bit more.
So I think we can very happily put 1 4-poster there and a 2-poster there, and then still have all of that, and when the shipment comes in, there'll still be everything here as well. I think this is going to work. Just come in on the weekend to finish a couple of things off. I can definitely see all this space, just like patrol, 5 in a row through that little window. It's going to be so cool. Exciting times. Monday it all starts again. So, all right, let's call this video and we'll see you next week on YouTube. Yeah.